Hi tubers, and welcome back. Yesterday we got just under 5 inches of snow, and I just finished doing my driveway with my old Gilson here, so that's 5 inches by a little over 300 feet. Now it's always good to keep a couple extra belts on hand, but today's tip is how not to burn out your belt. It was 7 degrees this morning, and you can see the ice forming up on this machine. Under this hood you have your belts. And see this ice on the outside? Well, you have the same ice on the inside. Inside this chute, you generally get a buildup, and in the front of the machine, this will usually be packed with snow and slush. Today there wasn't any slush because it was just too cold. But when you have that slush, or just even the snow melting down and then it freezes up, that's going to keep everything from turning. When you start your engine, then engage those belts. Everything will burn right out. The engine will be running, the belts will be smoking, and that'll be the end of the belts. What I generally do when I'm done is to shut the gas line off and let it run with everything turning to try to get off the snow that's on the inside. If you don't have a heated garage, you want to find a way to melt the snow and ice off. I'm going to use an inexpensive heat gun that I picked up from Harbor Freight to melt this down. You want to be careful, you are dealing with a machine that has gas in it. Well guys, that's a wrap. If you found this video useful or enjoyable, let me know by posting your comments down below, giving it a like, pass it along, and if you haven't done so already, subscribe. Until next time, stay warm, stay safe.